Hello students, today I am again here to tell you something about the physics numerical problems about the Ohm's law. About the Ohm's law. So before that I would like to tell you again that always remember to subscribe the channel to make the channel powerful, and the secondly view the channel from the starting till the ending so that you can understand the subject nicely, and leave your comments in the comment box so that I can know about your or about what you want to tell me, so that I can make the, if I have made some mistakes then I can rectify it. So I myself Kuna from Kuna's origin. Again I am telling you, I am starting from the half which I have left in numericals in problems part 1. Then in part 2 I am telling you about in the part 2 I am telling again in this part I am telling you about the Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? I taught you in that class. Then now I am telling you the that V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR and R is equal to rho L by A. Rho L by A. So R is directly proportional to L, R is inversely proportional to area of cross section, and rho is the resistivity of a material, and that is also known as proportionate constant. So in the now I am teaching you the next question. Number one is a silver wire has a diameter of 0.4 millimeter 0.4 millimeter and resistivity is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 8 minus 8, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. How much length of the wire? How much length of the wire is required to make a 1 meter coil? Make a 1 ohm coil. So see here diameter is equal to what is given? Diameter. Solution. Always remember, again I am telling you, read the question perfectly and write what is given. Then only you can know what formula is to be used. So here diameter is equal to 0.4 millimeter. Diameter is equal to 0.4 millimeter. Diameter is equal to 0.4 millimeter. Therefore radius is equal to 0.4 by 2, that is equal to 0.2 millimeter. That is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, because this one is given in ohm meter. So resistivity means rho is given, and here 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Then what is it here asked? And resistance is given resistance is given and here is equal to 1 ohm. Now you can know that what has been asked here, how much length, L has been asked. L has been asked. So put the formula, this formula, R is equal to rho L by A. So this is equal to, R is equal to rho L by A. So here this is equal to rho L by A means pi r square. Pi r square. So this is equal to I have to find out L. L means L is equal to pi r square by rho. Pi r square by rho. This means this is equal to 22/7 is the value of pi, and the value of r is given here 1, and value of r is given here 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 by rho. By rho means 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. 10 to the power minus 8. When we will solve this one, so see here, this is equal to 7.86 meters. 7.86 meters. So this is the answer. Again I am telling you, in the question it has been asked, a silver wire has a diameter of 0.4 millimeter. Here diameter is given, area of cross section is not given, and resistivity of this much ohm meter. How much length has been asked? So see here, I have written here what is given, diameter. Found out radius. Then rho is given here, I have written here. Resistance 1 ohm. Resistance 1 ohm coil. See here, I am written here. So to find out the L, the formula is L is equal to pi r square, and this r is for resistance, by rho. That means 22/7 into 1, that is 1 ohm, and this 0.2 into 10 to the minus 3 into 1.6. Here point will be cut off. So this is becoming 2 and this is becoming 6, because these two are like fractions. 2 cut off 16, 8 and 10. This minus 8 will come here. So this will become 10 to the power 5. When we will multiply this all, we will get 22/7 into 10 to the power 5 by 2. It gives you by 2. By 8 gives you 7.86 meters. That means 22/7 into 56 into 10 to the power 5 gives you 7.86 meters. So you can you have understood the calculations. Now in the next problem. Now for the next problem, see here. Now for the next problem, see here, a cylinder of a material 10 centimeter long, number 2. A cylinder with a material 10 centimeter long and has a cross section 10 centimeter long and has a cross section of 2 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, if its resistance along the length, resistance along the length if along the length is 20 ohms, what is the resistivity? Similarly, here also, see here in the solution, I have to read the question nicely. Length is equal to given here, L is equal to 10 centimeter. Is equal to, length is equal to 10 centimeter and area is given here 2 centimeter square. But resistance is given here, 20 ohms. Resistance is given here 20 ohms. Resistance is given here 20 ohms. So R is equal to rho L by A. Rho L by A. We get rho. This rho is equal to, therefore rho is equal to R into A by L. R into A by L. That is equal to 20 into 2 by L is given here. L is given here 10 centimeter. So this is equal to 2 to the 4. That is given here 4 ohm centimeter. That is given here 4 ohm centimeter, and that is equal to 0.04 ohm meter. Again I am telling you, the question is something like this way. A cylinder of material 10 centimeter long and has a cross section of 2 centimeter square. If its resistance along the length is 20 ohms, what is the resistivity? Solution, that is length is equal to 10 centimeter. Area is equal to 2 centimeter square. Resistance is equal to 20 ohms. So resistance formula is equal to rho into L by A. That is equal to rho into A by L. That is equal to 20 into 2 by 10, and that is equal to 4 ohm centimeter. So that is equal to, as this one is centimeter and this one is meter, so divide this one by 100, you will get 4 by 100, which is equal to 0.04 ohm meters. So next we will switch off to the next problem. Switch off to the next problem. What is the next problem? A wire of 10 meter, a wire of number 3. A wire of 1 meter long, a wire of 1 meter long, 0.2 millimeter diameter, and has a resistance of 10 ohm and has a resistance of 10 ohm. Has a resistance of 10 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of its material. Calculate the resistivity of the material. Calculate the resistivity of the material. So see here, one is, here what is given? Resistance is given 10 ohm. Resistance is equal to, solution, solution, that is resistance is equal to 10 ohm. Resistance is equal to 10 ohm and length is equal to 1 meter. Length is equal to 1 meter and diameter, 1 meter, diameter D is given here, diameter is equal to 0.2 millimeter. So this is equal to R is equal to 0.2 by 2, that is equal to 0.1 millimeter. So this is equal to 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now millimeter. That means this is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is, so next one is we have to find out the area. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi r square, that is equal to 22 by 7 by into 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. Whole square. If I will write this one like this way, 22 by 7 into 1 and 1 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square, then also it is correct. Now this is equal to 22 by 7 and into 10 to the power minus 4 into the 2, that is you have to multiply it, that is equal to 10 to the power 22 by 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now calculate the resistivity. So resistance is equal to rho into L by A. Rho into L by A. So this is equal to, rho is equal to R into A by L. R into A by L. R is equal to 10 ohm. R is equal to 10 ohm and area is equal to into 22 by 7 and into 10 to the power minus 8 into L. L is given here 1 meter, means 1 by 1 meter. So when we will calculate this one, this will come as, this is equal to 22 by 7 into 10 to the power minus 7. So this is equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. Ohm meter. So this is the answer. So the next one what I am telling you, that is the fourth problem. So all of you go through the problem, and again I am repeating this problem, that a wire of 1 meter long, 0.2 millimeter diameter and has a resistance of 10 ohm. Calculate the resistivity of the material. So solution, resistance is given here 10 ohm, length is given here 1 meter, diameter is given here 0.2 millimeter. So is diameter, radius is equal to 0.1 millimeter. So convert this one into meter, 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equal to, now I am going to take out area of cross section. The area of cross section, as it is a circular, so the area formula is pi r square. 22 by 7 into 0.1 into 10 to the minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 4, because this is equal to 1 by 10. So 1 unit is 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So now this is 22 by 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. So the formula is resistance is equal to rho into L by A. Rho is equal to R into A by L. R into A by L. So multiply, put the values, 10 ohm into 22 by 7 into 10 to the minus 8 into L is equal to 1 by 1. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into 10 to the power minus 7 plus 1 minus 8. So minus 7. 22 by 7, value of 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 7. So the next problem. Number 5. A piece of wire of resistance. A piece of wire of resistance piece of wire of resistance 20 ohm is drawn out of 20 ohm is drawn out so that its length is increased, drawn out so that its length is increased to twice its original length, to twice its original length. Twice its original length. Calculate the resistance of the wire in the new situation. Calculate the resistance of the wire in new situation. In the new situation. So solution, always remember here, always go through the problem nicely and try to understand what has been given here. So resistance is equal to rho L by A. Rho L by A, that is equal to rho L square by volume B. Always remember here one formula, that is area is equal to volume B by L. Area is equal to volume B by L. So in the when the L is equal to 2L, when L is equal to 2L, when L is equal to 2L, resistance is equal to rho 2L square by B. So this is equal to rho 4L square by B. 4L square by B. So now the resistance is given here. Original resistance is equal to 20 ohm. So therefore R dash, which is the new situation resistance, that will be equal to this is equal to R is equal 4R is equal to R dash. 4R is equal to R dash. So R dash is equal to 4 into 20. So this is equal to 4 into 20 is equal to 80 ohm. 4 into 20 is equal to 80. That is 80 ohm. again I am repeating you. So this is equal to, resistance is equal to rho into L by A, that is equal to rho L square by B, because area is equal to volume by length. So the L is equal to, now in the second case, L is equal to 2L. So R dash is equal to rho into 2L square by B. So rho is equal to 4L square by B. So that means R is equal to R dash is equal to 4R. R dash is equal to 4 times of this one is equal to this one. So R dash is equal to 4R. Here R is given here 20 ohm. So R dash is equal to 4 into 20 is equal to 80 ohm. So this is all about the Ohm's law. I have taught you some examples, near about 8-9 problems. In the first part I have taught you some examples. In the second part I have taught you some numericals again, and now I have taught you something more. So go through the numericals. If you have any doubt, ask in the comment box, and make the video success. Now make the channel also success and strong by subscribing it. Always remember, tap the red button once only. Don't tap it for the second time, because it will unsubscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel, tap the red button once, so that the channel will become more powerful, and it will be encouraged to teach you some more videos, some more lessons, some more knowledge, so that you can gain more and more. That's all. I am Sanjay. I am Kuna from Kuna's Horizon. So Kuna from Kuna's Horizon. Now always remember to subscribe the channel, and view the video from the starting till the ending, so that you can understand the whole subject nicely, and give the comment in the comment box. Thank you.